Hi, my name is Brandy and I'm a master provider here at the Juvly in Cincinnati. And today we are talking about booties. If you're curious about a BBL, which is a Brazilian butt lift, let me tell you, it is a non-surgical in-office procedure that we do to help augment the tush. And so with this treatment, we're looking at adding a product that's called Sculptra. It is a collagen stimulator, therefore we're initiating your own body's ability to produce that collagen and to volumize appropriately. And with this treatment, you're looking at least 2 sessions. The great thing about a BBL is that it's completely customizable. The more you want, the more we add. The ideal candidate for a Sculptra BBL really does vary. So it's really for any individual who wants to improve the appearance of their buttocks. So it can be for a slight enhancement, but it can also help improve the skin in that area as well. So on average, a BBL contains 5 vials per treatment. Repeat treatment is necessary about 6 to 8 weeks after your initial one to continue the building process. A Sculptra BBL is an in-office procedure. It's non-surgical. Downtime is really minimal. We say no exercise for 24 hours to minimize any bruising, but that's probably the most common side effect is a bruise, and typical bruises last about 3 to 5 days. BBL's longevity is actually quite impressive. On average, we find that they last at least 2 years. However, clinically, we're finding that they can last even longer than that. Sculptra BBLs are wonderful treatments for that slight augmentation. They're completely comfortable, and if you're interested, simply book a free consultation at juvly.com. See you soon. BBL Brandy, come see me. We build booties.